Hey you guys, this is me, 3 Kyle Man here, and today I have a special review on the Thompson m1a1 military submachine gun. This is 466 FPS, semi and fully automatic. Sorry about the green thing right there, but I really wanted this. For metal body, steel gears, and most people can read, so they can read that. You have FPS, the joules, the range, which is excellent. And it's windy outside, so that's why the box is blowing. You have the weight. It says 7.5 pounds. It actually weighs 7.8, and yes, I weighed it, and it is really cool. It's licensed by Thompson, which makes it even better. It's electric powered. Most stuff. The construction of this is entirely metal, which is what I like. And what's really nice is that it's supposed to be, it's supposed to be the correct weight, and it's supposed to be a scale of it, so that's really cool. And then on the box you see tanks, a guy on Omaha, some more guys on Omaha Beach, and the US flag. Now let's take a look at the actual airsoft gun. This is the orange tip. On the box, there's no tip, but of course they ruined it by adding a big, old, huge orange tip. It's about 2 fingers big, so pretty good. Fully metal, everything up here, down here. Now, when you get this gun at the source, it's mostly going to have a 47 round clip. This is the 300 right here. The 300 retails for $20, which is expensive, but you're going to need it, or else you're going to die in an airsoft battle. It's a wind up, so just wind it up. And when you insert the gun, you want to insert it like this, and then just push up. I'll show you what excuse me. You want to do that, so you want to push it up the gun. It's licensed Thompson submachine gun, caliber 6mm, m1a1, no blah blah blah. Slings right here, these are metal. It's metal. Now I know this looks like wood, right? It's not, sadly. It is ABS plastic, but it's still really nice. It still feels nice when I shoot people. Down here you see the box. You just flip this. You twist it, and you insert your battery in there. Here you're on safe. Switch it over. There's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. Then you just switch it back. Then you have full auto, single. My hand is relatively big, and it's actually quite difficult for me to adjust the fire and select, unless if it's on semi. Sorry about this, the gun is like huge. You have the sights. Sorry if you guys can't see the sights, but the nice thing is that this moves up and down and sideways. Sorry, the gun is just really huge and quite heavy for an airsoft gun, so yeah. It says Auto Ordnance Corporation, Worcester, Massachusetts, USA, made in China. Totally ignorance. Yeah. And then, sorry about this. Then you see that light. Oh. This gun is big, US property. And then you just say, it says trademark Thompson. Who? You know, this gun retails for $100. It retails for almost $200. But I got a sweet deal for $100. And the nice thing is they put the metal clip in nicely for free in there. You got the grips. Oh, this will move back. And there are adjustments on YouTube that you can take this gun apart and you can make it so every time you pull the trigger, it will push back. It ruins the bolt, and yeah, I just love doing this. In the comments below, tell me if you like just cocking the gun back for fun or not. Then here's the hopper. You just wind it, and none of this does anything. The trigger's metal, like what I said. Everything is metal. Even this is metal, which is nice because my stepbrother, he has a plastic MP5, and like this part is plastic and it's almost broken. This right here is like all nice, and yeah, this gun is just huge. They say 460 FPS, and I agree with them. It is like freaking powerful. And then when it says the 66 yards right there, they are true about that. I've shot someone from almost 100 feet away with this, and they are still sore. That's all I really have to say. The sling mounts, the gun itself on the side, and yeah. Don't really know what else to say about the gun, but if you are to get this gun, I suggest that you have played Airsoft a long time, because I don't want this to be a beginner's gun and then like it's too hard for you to use because you don't know how to use the wind-up and you don't know like that much about Airsoft guns. Like I've been playing for 2 years now, and this gun right here is like a freaking sweet deal. Yeah, and I will be doing a test fire on it. And the motor and everything else is right in here. They just put that in there so it looks like the actual bullet, but in real life this shoots at 45, so it only goes back to here. Yeah, about here instead of all the way back. And yeah, that's all I have to say. And I will be doing a review. I will be doing a few test fires, and please comment, rate, subscribe, and please favorite this video. And I will see you guys with another Airsoft review. Thank you, and